All right, before we ride the elevators, look at this right here. I love the sign that says I love New York because everyone loves New York. And there goes the carousel chime. But anyways, these are the actual main elevators here at LaGuardia International Airport in New York City, New York. These are custom-made Kone elevators. And you might think these are glass, right? Well, think again. The inside cab is not. That is unfortunate. Like Alex YouTube user Glue says, they could have easily made this glass. I don't get why they didn't make the elevator cabs glass. That just doesn't make any sense.
Third floor. Going down. First floor.
All right, let's switch elevator cars. Or can we actually watch it go up? Oh, it didn't go up. Oh, I forgot to send it up. Let me send it up first.
Going up.
I'll ride the other elevator. Watch this thing go up. See, there it goes. That just doesn't make any sense. Why they didn't make the elevator they didn't make the elevator cars glass. That just makes no sense. I don't get why. I think people are going to be on it.
Third floor.
Back down to 1.
Going down. First floor.
All right, let's end it up at 2 so we can get to so we can find the ground transportation to the city.
Going up.
Oh, before we go, you definitely see up the elevator shaft right there. Camera can't focus on it, but oh, I can see the eco disc. Nice. We'll get a cab view.
Second floor.
All right, we're gonna go on our exit. Somebody had to kick the doors. That's kind of dangerous. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.